Hey everyone, it's Brian from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Now we're going to be looking at the power moonroof, which is available in the SEL Premium and the Limited trim. Now taking a look at the sunroof, there are different functionalities that you have with the sunroof. Now there is a button located right up top, which pretty much has all full control of it. Now there are different, again, functionalities that you can do. If you, for example, push down on the button, the sunroof will open all the way automatically for you, as demonstrating now. Now at any point here, you can stop it by going against the button at any point. So for example, here I can stop it at any point. Now let's just say that the sunroof is closed. Instead of pushing down, you could push up and it'll actually open up the rear angle of the sunroof. Now again, same button functionality. You would press down on it and it'll close again. So there are different features that you can have with the sunroof. As well, you can also close the rear sun or the top part automatically. You can close it with your hand, or if you wanted to, by pressing it once fully, it'll retract it itself. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any other questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you guys again so much for watching.